What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Chris here with EB.TV, back again with another video, and today I'm getting a little bit out of my comfort zone. I got a custom request from a customer. He hit me up with my DMs on Instagram. He was like, look, I got a project for you. I got this, I got a new motorcycle, you know, I just got it built. And I need some shoes to go with it. And I was like, okay, I can do that. And he sent me pictures of the bike. It was like green and blue and white. And I'm like, yeah, I can do that, I can do that. And he was like, actually, I don't know which shoes I want to do it to yet, but I do have another project for you. And he sent over some pictures of this. And he wants this customized. So today's video, I'm going to be customizing something a little different. And it's a helmet. And it's not nothing crazy I'm doing to it. You'll see in the video. But it's just going to make some things that's going to make this all black helmet pop a little bit more. So I got this helmet I'm customizing, and he also gave me another helmet to customize, and that is this one. This one's pretty dope too. If it would, yeah, there we go. This one, he just wants all the crimson red colors turned to like a lime green, real bright green. This is a brand new helmet, so I'm gonna get into that. These helmets are really cool. It's like, look expensive. But that's it for this intro, this video. Before you get into the video, just, you know, if you like it, leave a like. If you don't like it, don't dislike it, leave it a like anyways. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Just appreciate you guys tuning in. It's Chris here, EB.TV. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so for the first step in customizing this helmet, I'm going to, well, I need to mask everything off because the only things that are getting painted is these little pieces right here, some pieces down here, some pieces in the rear, and I'm also going to try and fix this scuffing right here. Check that out. See if I can repaint that black. So I'm just going to let the music play and you guys can sit back and enjoy. so now that we have both helmets all taped up, as you can see with this one, got all the black spots taped up that I'm going to be painting, and then with this one you got all these orange spots taped up that I'm going to be painting. I went ahead and I mixed up this GAC 200, which promotes adhesion and film hardness, so like it makes it more flexible. Like it's really for painting plastics, cleats and all that stuff. Mix 1/4 this, half this. This is a water-based, basically medium, so I can flow this through my airbrush gun. This regular paint right here. I mixed this, what color is this? Emerald green, Angelus pearlescent paint right here. I went ahead and mixed those all together right here so I can airbrush it onto those helmets. But before we do that, we have one more step. Alrighty guys, for this step I'm going to be using this Bulldog adhesion promoter and just spraying all the spots that are going to get painted, since this is plastic, so the paint will actually stick to it. Alright, so the next step in the process is to add this Rayleigh Restorations scratch resistant sealer. And what this is going to do is, just in case any like rock chips in or anything hit the helmet while the rider is riding, this will protect it. Alright guys, so check it out. This helmet right here is completely coated with paint and Rayleigh Restorations, what is it called? Scratch resistant sealer. This helmet is, and so is this helmet. I did this one off camera. So now I'm going to hit them with some Angelus satin finisher real quick, and we should be wrapped up. And I'm gonna untape it, and that's really gonna be it. That's some nice footage.
Don't stop, get guap, roof crisp, pit stop, count cash, big nights, big hoes, big rock. Don't stop, get guap. Don't stop, get guap. Don't stop, get guap, roof crisp, pit stop, count cash, big nights, big hoes, big guap. Don't stop, get guap. Don't stop, get guap. I could never stop getting all this guap, cause I'm at the top, panties drop when she is a thought. I'ma let it bob, closed mouths don't get fed, so I talk a lot. You ain't talking guap, then don't tell me what you talking about, cause I can guarantee it won't give me no money. You can see I'm very fleet, packing action, no movie. It's a vert, but no Uzi, counting guap instead of sheep. Don't eat pork, but keep beef, just in case he think he's street. Just in case he think he's street. Okay. It get hot, but this ain't heat. Yeah. Just in case he think he's street. Bet I turn this nigga sweet. Get guap, roof crisp, pit stop, count cash, big nights, big hoes, big rock. Don't stop, get guap. Don't stop, get guap. Don't stop, get guap, roof crisp, pit stop, count cash, big nights, big hoes,